Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to properly withdraw from WapEx app. You can withdraw money from the WapEx trading app by following these general steps. Go to the withdrawal section of your WapEx trading app. If your funds are in crypto, send them to the fiat currency such as USD or Euro if you wish to withdraw to a bank account. Choose your desired withdrawal method, which may include options like bank transfer or e-wallet, like PayPal, Skrill, or NetTeller. Enter the necessary details for your chosen withdrawal method, such as your bank account information or e-wallet details. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review all the transaction details carefully. Confirm the withdrawal, which may require security verification steps like two-factor authentication. Wait for the processing period, which can vary depending on the method. Fiat withdrawals generally take 1 to 3 working days. E-wallet and local bank transfers may arrive on the same day. Some important considerations: network compatibility. If withdrawing cryptocurrency, ensure the network you select for withdrawal is compatible with your receiving wallet. Security. Double-check the receiving address for accuracy before confirming the withdrawal. Verification. Ensure that you have completed any necessary KYC, Know Your Customer, or identity verification processes, as this can affect withdrawal limits. Unverified accounts may have lower withdrawal limits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.